Come test drive the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.